Welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to start our next chapter, third, charts in Excel. And first topic is what is chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data. By using chart, we can represent or display our data in pictorial form. That pictorial form helps to provide a better understanding of any quantity of data. Whenever we have large amount of data, then it is difficult to represent the data in the form of rows and columns, and it is difficult to analyze that data. If we are using chart, then it's easy to analyze that data. Next, what are the components of the chart? First component is chart area. The chart area that contains all the area and objects in the chart. Outer boundary के inside जो भी area that is called chart area, and category axis is known as x-axis or horizontal axis, that is on the bottom of the chart, and value axis is called y-axis or vertical axis that is used to plot the values. It is located at the left hand side of the chart. Then what is plot area? It's a window within the chart area. Actually वो area यहाँ पे chart actually draw किया गया है, that is called plot area. And chart area में सारे का सारा portion आ जाता है जिसमें draw किया है वो भी, और outside the drawing area that is also chart area. Grid lines can be horizontal or vertical lines depending upon the chart type. Any lines that are crossed on the plot area is called grid line. What is data label? To show the data values, whenever we use bars, slices or other elements that are called data series. If there are multiple data series in the chart, then we use different color for each and every data series to distinguish between them. Category names are the labels which are displayed on the x or y axis. नेक्स्ट लेजेंड्स. एक्चुअली लेजेंड्स बेटा वो कलर और वो सिंबल होता है जिससे हम डेटा सीरीज़ को डिस्टिंग्विश करते हैं. जैसे हम डिफरेंट कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जहाँ फिर हम एक के लिए लाइनिंग, एक के लिए डॉट्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं. दैट पैटर्न और सिंबल्स और कलर्स आर कॉल्ड लेजेंड्स, जो हम डेटा सीरीज़ को असाइन करते हैं. चार्ट टाइटल दैट शोज द एम और टाइटल ऑफ द चार्ट दैट वी वांट टू गिव टू द चार्ट. Now let's discuss about the types of charts that are available in MS Excel. So first one is bar chart. This chart shows the data comparison between the individual items. We use long rectangular rods or bars to represent the data, and in this chart beta we use the categories on the vertical axis and we use the values on the horizontal axis as you see on the screen. Next type is column chart. It's quite easy to understand as compared to any other chart. It is by default chart in the MS Excel, and this chart is used for displaying the data that shows the different trends over a period of time. In this chart हम categories को कहाँ पे show करते हैं? Horizontal, and values को कहाँ पे show करते हैं? Vertical axis. Next category is line chart. In this chart we use just different color of lines to present the data at equal intervals. It is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with axes, x-axis and y-axis. Whenever we have the huge amount of data, then we use the line chart, and it is useful whenever we want to show the big change in the data over a period of time. Next type is area chart. It is a unique version of line or column graph. Actually when we want to show the change over the time, then we use area chart. It gives the better representation than the line chart. By showing the sum of the plotted values, a area chart displays the relationship of parts to a whole. Next category is XY scatter chart. This chart actually has the two value axes. एक x एक्सेस पे इसकी वैल्यूज़ होती हैं, सेकेंड y एक्सेस दैट इज़ वर्टिकल एक्सेस, एंड x एक्सेस है जो उसको इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल को असाइन किया जाता है, एंड y वेरिएबल that is assigned to dependent variable. It means जो y एक्सिस है that is dependent on x axis. Next is pie chart. Whenever we want to display our data in the form of circle that is divided into number of parts and that has the different colors, that is we have to use the pie chart. By using pie chart we can represent our data in very easy manner. It shows only one data series and it is useful when we want to focus on some significant element. This chart works best with smaller number of values. Next category is the radar chart. It looks like a spider net as you see on the screen. इस चार्ट में क्या होता है बेटा, we have to plot the points, then that points are connected by the lines so that it makes a grid. These charts are used in scientific experiments and when it is useful, when we want to compare data that is not time dependent, then radar chart is useful. For stock market and shares, there is a different type of chart that is available in MS Excel, that is stock chart. In this chart, there is a specific data series like opening price, closing price, high, low prices. In this chart, x-axis represents a time series. Next category is bubble chart. Beta, in bubble chart, data is arranged in the form of columns. In such a way, x values वो first column में आएंगी, y and z values are listed in adjacent columns. And this chart shows the 3D of the data, 3 dimension of the data in the form of disk. As you see in the diagram, there are bubbles and 2 values क्या represent कर रही है उसकी location, that is xy location, and third value represent its size. As you see on the screen, there are different size of bubbles. This chart is surface chart. In this category, the data is arranged in the form of columns or rows on the worksheet. And this chart is useful when we want to find the best combination between the two sets. We can only use surface chart when both the categories and data series are numeric values. It indicates areas that are in the same range of the value. That's all, students. I hope you have cleared all the concepts. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy.